Dear God, we just want to thank you for showing up in a magnificent way. You are good and you are faithful, and we are just in awe of you. I pray, God, that you would be with all the riders tonight. Keep them safe. Help us to just bring you glory in this city as we unite together to take care of your people who are in need. We love you and we thank you, Jesus. Amen.
You guys ready to go? All right, have a great time. Be safe with the countdown. Here's Bob Daly.
All right, here we go. Moonlight Ride 2021, Christmas in July. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
We are excited to be here tonight. An event like this really is a way to bring hope to our community. We recently helped a young mom with food, and she said after we had helped her before she left that if the lights were on, she knew she could find hope inside. And so a night like this is a night about bringing hope to the hungry and hurting. And we are incredibly grateful for all the many sponsors and just friends that have come here tonight to support this event. So thank you.